In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two cells in Excel without losing data. Let's begin. So let's say that I want to merge these two cells, but what you'll notice is that what happens is it's going to say merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. So if we say OK, you'll notice that the last name has now disappeared. So what we need to do is we are going to create another column here, and I've already merged the cells and created a table, and I've called it first and last as a heading. You are going to use a function to solve your problem. So in the row, you are going to type in equals to, then you're going to type in CO and C, and you are going to choose concatenate. Once you selected it, head over to the table where you want to merge the cells, choose the first option, which is the first name, then you are going to use comma, so type in comma, then space, then you're going to put a quotation mark, space again, then another quotation mark, then another comma, then space, and choose the other cell. So once you're done, simply hit enter. And what you'll notice is it's going to combine the cells without losing any data. So the first name and last name have both been combined. And if you want to make the changes to the rest without having to type it out manually or use the same function, simply select the cell where you apply that same function and head over to the corner, and you're going to see this plus icon. Our cursor is going to change to a plus, then simply drag it all the way to the end. And it's going to do it for you. And it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.